Hi guys, on today's video we're going to do something a bit different. We're going to show you how to survive when zombies kill everyone and take everything. So we'll just take you through what we've got in our sort of little emergency bag in the car. It's just like a grab and go bag. What we've got in there, why we've got it, that sort of stuff. Okay, so this is the VanGuard Falconer 27 bag that we chose. Let's go through the stuff on the outside of the bag first before we start getting into any of the pockets. So just either side, we've got a couple of the locking carabiner clips. On either side we've actually attached two different pouches. On this side's a VanGuard first aid pouch. It's made just so you can rip it straight open for quick access. On this side we've got just a Maxpedition water bottle holder. It holds a 1 litre Nalgene bottle. And just up the top I've got a little keyring light, just an Olight i1R EOS. It's rechargeable by a micro USB. Around on the strap I've just mounted a Leatherman Wave on the shoulder strap. So this bag is compatible with a water bladder. We actually have one of the Camelback 3 litre water bladders, but I don't always actually carry this in the bag, just depends on where we're going, if we're going out for the day. Okay, so I'll just start on the back side now, going into the pockets. There's just a sort of like a laptop pocket in the back here where your water bladder goes. I've just got one of these UV pack lights. Basically you can just lay this out in the sun for a little bit and these crystals glow really bright, so you can actually hook this up around camp just for a bit of a light, like say where you've set up your toilet or something like that, just to glow around the area. On this side we've got the Maxpedition water bottle holder. So in this side pouch we've got a Sawyer mini water filter system. Okay, on the outside of this we've just got a little paracord bracelet with a whistle and stuff on there. So in here is normally a 1 litre Nalgene bottle, but we don't have it in here at the moment, it's actually in the car. So we've just sort of put a few of our fire starter things in here for now. So these are the Baddest B fire fuse fire starters. Got the mini Inferno pads. All these were in the video we did on fire starters. We got the fire dust, which is just sort of wood shavings. The UCO waterproof matches. And this is one of our little waterproof fire starter kits that we showed, just with a few cotton wool buds with Vaseline, waterproof matches, Bic lighter, that sort of stuff. Okay, and in the bottom there's a little Nestle cup. It's a Ollie Camp 20 ounce cup. So the measurements are actually on the outside and the inside, which is really handy. Your 1 litre Nalgene bottle nests inside of that normally, inside of here. Around this side in the little first aid pouch, on the side here is a rat's tourniquet. Inside is just a moleskin patch kit, just for when you get blisters and stuff. Bite and sting kits. It's basically a little kit with instructions and wipes and stuff, but a little extraction tool to remove venom, condensed towel, and quick clot bandage, that sort of stuff down in here. There's not too much in here because we've got a couple of first aid kits in the car, but I'm gonna take a few things out of them and put them into here. So in this front pouch here, there's just a little pass-through pocket in the front. We've just got a handkerchief and a schmog in that. So one of the main reasons I chose the VanQuest bag over the others is most of the pockets are all clamshell, so the whole bag actually opens out. We've just got sort of random stuff in here, a couple of light sticks, like the chem lights. They're just the ones that you crack and get a glow light. So I've got a couple in here that are the 30-minute ones that glow really bright, or the 12-hour ones, which obviously last a lot longer. Just a bit of paracord. I've got a Leatherman pocket knife. It just came with the Leatherman Wave when I got it. Just a Sharpie, a little Leatherman squirt tool, a little set of pliers, knife, that sort of stuff. They're just the bits for the end of your Leatherman, like little Phillips head, flathead, that sort of stuff. Got a steel sharpener, and what you can actually do with that is get wood shavings just from little twigs and stuff to start fires a lot easier if you don't have any of the fire starters. Okay, so down the front here we've got another one of the pack light. It's a UV glow stick. So you can actually flip this out of the bag just while you're walking along and use it as a bit of a glow, as well as just a little LED press light to find stuff inside the bag in the dark. Just a small Altoids tin, just with some bread clips to use as pegs, as well as guitar picks, which are really good fire starters. Okay, so with the bread clips, if you have make up a clothesline out of a bit of paracord, you can actually use them to peg your clothes or whatever onto the line. A few meters of leather strapping, which is really good for hanging stuff over a fire because it won't burn. We've got a live fire starter. Just a roll-on AeroGuard and a zinc sunscreen. Just so we don't make this video too long, we'll cut this up into 2 parts. So next week we'll just finish off what's in the bag, that sort of stuff. Just to sort of cover a bit more stuff without making the video too long, we're going to put everything down in the description box below, sort of what's in the bag. If you do have any questions about specific things or whatever, just put them down below, but we'll list what all the parts and items actually are, so just check that out. But apart from that, we'll see you next week for the rest of the video.